Hello everyone, let us discuss about maxillary artery. Maxillary artery is the terminal branch of the external carotid artery. Let's go through the anatomy of the artery. We have heart, ascending aorta, arch of aorta, brachiocephalic trunk, left common carotid artery, left subclavian artery. Let's go through on the right side. Brachiocephalic trunk has two branches, right subclavian artery and right common carotid artery. Let's go through the right common carotid artery. At the level of the upper level of the thyroid cartilage, it divides into internal carotid artery and external carotid artery. Internal carotid artery supply the eye and brain. External carotid artery supply the face. External carotid artery, it has the branches, anterior branch like superior thyroid artery, lingual artery, facial artery. Medial branch like ascending pharyngeal artery. Posterior branch, occipital artery and posterior auricular artery. It has two terminal branches, superficial temporal artery and maxillary artery. Let's discuss about maxillary artery. If we magnify, we can see there is a maxillary artery. It has three parts. Part 1, 2 and 3 is divided by the lower head of the lateral pterygoid muscle. This is the lower head of lateral pterygoid muscle. This is the upper head. This is the lower head. It can be divided into part 1, 2 and 3. The branches from the part 1 of the maxillary artery are the deep auricular artery, anterior tympanic artery, inferior alveolar artery. Inferior alveolar artery grip the branches like mylohyoid artery and it enters the mandibular canal and gives the branches like incisor artery, mental arteries, dental arteries, etc. It also grips branches like the medial meningeal artery and accessory meningeal artery. Let's go to the second part. Second part gives branches like mesenteric artery, deep temporal artery. Superficial was the branch of external carotid artery, but deep is the branch of second part of the maxillary artery, buccal artery, pterygoid branches. And third part, this is our third part. Third part gives the branches like superior sphenopalatine artery, pharyngeal artery, artery to pterygoid canal, infraorbital artery. Infraorbital artery enters the infraorbital foramen and give branches like anterior superior alveolar artery. It also gives the branches posterior superior alveolar artery, greater palatine artery, etc. Now let's go through this figure. This is our external carotid artery. This is the lingual artery and this is the superficial temporal artery. This is the maxillary artery, you can see here. When it crosses this is the lower head of the pterygoid muscles. This is the upper head of the lateral pterygoid muscles. When it enters the lower head, it becomes second part. This is the first part, and after leaving, this is our third part. We can see the branches like this is the inferior alveolar artery entering into the mandibular canal and giving the branches like the mental arteries, dental arteries, etc. This is the mylohyoid artery. You can see here mylohyoid artery. And from the second part we can see like artery to the mesenteric artery and pterygoid branches, buccal artery, etc. And this is the third part. This is the infraorbital artery. Infraorbital artery. This is the posterior superior alveolar artery. This is the medial alveolar artery. This is the anterior superior alveolar artery.